Enthusiasts. Welcome back to Skill Ful Solutions, your go-to channel for mastering all things tech. Today we're diving into the world of iPhones to learn a super handy skill, how to send voice messages. Let's get started. Scanning documents with your iPhone is a handy skill that can save you time and hassle. Whether it's receipts, notes, or important documents, we've got you covered. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Messages. Open your Messages app by tapping on its iconic green icon. You'll find it on your home screen or in your app library. Choose a contact. Choose the contact you want to send a voice message to. It could be a friend, family member, or anyone you're in touch with. Step 3. Tap and hold microphone icon. Here's where the magic happens. In the message field, you'll see a microphone icon to the right. Tap and hold the microphone icon. This will start recording your voice message. Record your message. While holding the microphone icon, start speaking your message. You can record as long as you want. Just remember to keep holding the icon while you talk. Release to send. Once you're done recording, simply release the microphone icon. Your voice message will be sent immediately to the receiver. Here you have it, folks. Sending voice messages on your iPhone is as easy as pie. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Skill Ful Solutions for more tech insights, and hit that notification bell. Stay tuned for more tech tricks that will elevate your iPhone game. Until next time, happy scanning and keep those documents organized.